Izibalo zobugebengu zikhomba ukuthi angaphezulu kuka-50% amacala okuthumba abikwe eGauteng, kanti amaningi awo abikwe edolobheni laseGoli.
There were people who are taking some advantage through that grinder. They will meet someone over the app, and after that they will make an appointment. They meet especially at Maboneng. After they met, they will kidnap their victims and take them somewhere.
Izinhlaka zezokuphepha zithi amacala okuthumba enzeke ezindaweni zomphakathi zinxuse izakhamuzi ukuthi ziqaphele ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Awareness campaigns are key. It's an appeal can be made to everyone out there who is possibly within the space and has got access and influence in terms of rolling out awareness campaigns.
Abantu abasha eGoli bakhathazekile ngokwanda kwezigameko zokuthumba.
Like a lot of us feel like that as women, especially here in Johannesburg, but not just Johannesburg, but in South Africa as a whole. Like we don't feel safe, not just like in our houses, like walking in the streets, at schools, because we never know what's going to happen.
Idolobha laseGoli limemezele ngesonto ledlule ukuthi lizotshala imali eyizigidi eziyishumi-nesithupha zamarandi ezinhlelweni zobunhloli. Lokhu kuzothuthukisa imizamo yokulwisana nobugebengu kuleli dolobha.